Hi, in this video we are discussing dictionaries in Python. Now open the Jupyter notebook using your command prompt and enter the Jupyter notebook and hit enter. I already opened the Jupyter notebook. Now what is the dictionary in Python? The dictionary is a key value pair separated by colon and key must be unique. Now how to create a dictionaries in Python? You can use the braces or you can use the dict method. Now declare one variable for storing the dictionary. You can use the braces and you can use the type of D for checking. Click on the run. Here D is the dictionary. You can use the dict method. Use the type of D. Click on run. Here this is the dictionary. These are the ways to create a dictionaries in Python. Now how to pass some key value pairs in your dictionary. Now D is the dictionary variable. For example, you have a one book. The book contains book ID, for example B1001, and book name, for example Python, and book cost, for example 100. Now this is the dictionary and print the dictionary. Here the book ID is the key and B1001 is the value. Here this is the one key value pair. The key value pairs must be separated by colon. Before the colon indicating as key and after the colon indicating as value. Here this is another key value pair. This is the another key value pair. The key value pairs are separated by comma. Now how to access the particular values in the dictionary? By using keys. If you want to access the B1001, you can use the book ID. Here book ID, it returns the B1001. Click on run. You can access any value in the dictionary by using keys. You can use the book cost. Here it returns 100. For example, if your dictionary does not exist the cost key and you can try to access the cost key, click on run. Here the key error because the key does not exist in your dictionary. Now how to add the cost key to your dictionary? Using the cost as a key equal to, you can assign some value. Here this is the your key, this is the your value. This means your value will be assigned to the cost key in your dictionary. And click on run and print dictionary. Your dictionary contains cost key. Now for example, if your dictionary contains book cost, if you want to try out book cost equal to 500, here if your dictionary the book ID keys exist, the data will be modified, that is your value. If your book cost is not exist in your dictionary, it creates a new key as book cost and assign a 500 as value. Otherwise your book cost value will be modified. Click on run and print the dictionary. Here the dictionary value is 500, key as book cost. Before the book cost value is 100. Now without modification add another data to the book cost. You can use key as book cost. If you want to use the assignment operator and use the 100, this will be assign 100 to the your book cost. That means your 500 will be modified. Otherwise you can use the plus operator. The 100 will be added to the 500. Click on run. Print the dictionary. Here your book cost contains 600. Here 500 plus 1. Now you can use the len function. This returns the length of your dictionary. How it indicates the length 4. Your dictionary contains 4 keys. Then it returns the 4. For example, if your dictionary contains, for example, create a new dictionary, book ID B1001, book name Python and cost. Here you can define also list, for example 1 comma 100 comma something, any data, and click on the run and print your dictionary. Here the cost key contains the value is list. For example, you want to add the cost values. For example, the cost as key, the list as values. You can add your list values by using the your cost key. Now write a program for I in d of cost. Here the d of cost returns your value, that is 1, 200, 300. For example, you can use the print of I. Click on the run. Here it returns the 1, 200, 300. Now you can sum all the values. For example, use the s equal to 0, that is the sum equal to 0 initial. You can every time you can assign your list value to the s. For example, I. Click on run. Here print s contains 501 because 200 plus 300 plus 1. These are the accessing your dictionary values using dictionary keys. Now what are the dictionary methods in Python? You can use the dir. This is a directory of your dictionary object. You can pass the dictionary object. Here the dictionary object is d. Click on run. Here these are the dictionary methods. You can use copy. The copy is used to copy your dictionary. For example, d1 is the dictionary. You can use the d dot copy. Your dictionary will be copied to the dictionary d1. Click on run. Print the d1. The d1 is same as d. You can use the clear. The clear method is used for it removes all your key value pairs in your dictionary. Here your dictionary is empty. You can use d1. Here your dictionary is empty. You can also check length of d1. Here it returns 0 and your original dictionary is not changed. Here you can use get method. You can pass any key, it returns the value. Click on run. And you can use the update method. This method is used for particular value based on your dictionary key. For example, you can use the book ID. Here you can pass one dictionary, book ID colon, you can pass value, for example B1002. Here the book ID value will be replaced by B1002. Click on run. Print dictionary. Here the book ID is B1001. The updation is similar to D of means dictionary of book ID equal to B1001. For example, here your dictionary contains book ID. Here it's true. Then the B1001 value will be updated. Here this is assignment operator. Here B1001 value will be assigned to the book ID. If your book ID is already defined in your dictionary, the value will be modified. Otherwise, it creates the book ID as a key. And click on the run and print D. Here your dictionary contains book ID and value is B1001. And you can use the method keys. This method returns the all the your dictionary keys. And print run. Here your dictionary keys are book ID, book something, for example book name and cost. Here you can use D dot values. It returns the all the your dictionary values. Here you can use items. Here it returns both your key value pairs. Here, and you can use the pop method. Here it returns the particular key. For example, pop is used for remove the your key in your dictionary. You can pass book ID. Click on run. Here it returns the value for your book ID is removed in your dictionary. Click print dictionary. Here there is no book ID. You can use the pop item. It removes the last inserted key. Here the last inserted key is cost. Click on run. Here the cost will be removed from dictionary. Click on run. Now these are the basic methods in dictionary. In the next video we are discussing sets in Python. Thank you for taking the time. Good luck.